just slowed it to you?
Yeah, just
Oh, hey. Oh, hello. How's it going? All right. We made it 100 yards and didn't get wet. Good start. So far, so good. That's better than I did last year.
I gotta warm my beer up.
He's gotta warm his beer
It's
up.
gonna explode. Warming it up won't make it explode.
Yet.
Super fast, folks.
Some technical difficulties after my phone swam in the river. My phone may be no more. Yeah, whatever, or maybe fine, who knows. How's everyone else doing?
Rich, how do I...
doing good.
Oh, you pull the top, and then you pinch with your teeth, and then suck it. That's how you do it.
We got some steaks. Hashtag steaks of Diego, maybe?
It does.
So, oh my great. So, phone died flipping steaks. Hashtag steaks of Diego. Yeah, steaks of Diego. Great. Got this great meat flipper from Earl Triple D's Forge. We'll see how it. He says you kind of like hook it in there, and then you just.
Oh yeah, that's a nice meat flipping.
Oh, these are actually like perfect. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you held me up, Tom. You're welcome.
Oh, look at it. Just penetrate the meat, hook in for an easy flip.
And then it rolls right out.
Rolls right the
That's great.
out.
Thanks, Earl.
So we got the meat hook from where again?
Earl.
Earl. Yeah, Earl got us this nice. It's done. She's done.
Thanks, Diego. Thanks, Earl.
Thanks, Diego. Thanks, Earl.
That's what you go for.
Give her a little nudge.
Quick, easy, probably the best little thing we have.
If we're gonna bring the grill, there's no reason we shouldn't bring the meat hook too.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
This is beats tongs and a spatula.
Oh yeah.
And it's lighter than both.
Oh yeah. Look at that, damn. And these are hefty steaks.
Oh yeah.
With ease. Oh my god.
So glad you guys got my phone out. That was so shocking. Can't believe you got my phone out.
Can't believe
After
what we thought was a rock.
Right. So my phone fell. The phone fell right on this steep drop off, which is how I tipped the canoe in the first place. Phone off the mount. Well, broke the mount with my foot. John and Dick spent the better part of a half hour to an hour fishing for my phone.
Found it.
And they got it.
We got it.
They got it. Now I just got to dry it out. Yep.
That's why you bring rice.
Gotta tilt the camera up for Dick.
Can I eat some of these?
Yeah, go ahead.
Steak.
And there's
mashed
potatoes.
over there too.
I just want, like...
Everybody else's phones film better in the dark than mine.
Fix it.
Because yours is an apple.
Yeah, iPhone.
That's probably true.
I don't know if that has anything to
Good
do with
steak.
it.
Good job.
That
wasn't fair. So it's the end of the night, you know, it's an eventful first day. Like usual, I soaked most of my stuff. Great dinner though, you know, we pulled it together at the end. Jessica found us a great campsite, and everything got set up. Got a little bit of fishing in. We're going to get a lot more in tomorrow though. Do some more paddling tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Night, guys.
We decided to make some bacon this morning. Turns out this meat hook works really well for bacon too. Keeps you far enough away from the fire that you don't singe off your knuckle hair. You know, that's always a good thing. Turn around whichever way you want.
Look at that. Would you say you could pretty much hook any kind of meat with that?
I'd say you can hook any kind of meat you want. It's a
Any kind?
I mean, I don't see any limitations on this.
Chicken?
Chicken,
Pork?
sure, yeah. And if it's on a fire, you can hook it.
Steak?
Oh,
Tenderloin?
definitely steak. I watched it work on steak.
Oh, no!
Yeah, dog bacon.
Alright, guys. Thanks, Tom.
So now we made some bacon. We're just making ourselves some pancakes, you know. Just getting up in there, using that cast iron.
Cast iron living.
Cast iron cooking. Good morning. We're getting a real late start. We might hit the river by noon, but it's been great. We're just hanging out, having a good time. Coffee, pancakes, bacon.
The luxury life of camping here.
Doggies. We'll get some fishing in.
I already feel that coffee.
Not a bad spot.
Cutting through me,
You
you
gonna
know?
poop? You gotta poop.
I might have to go visit the tree,
Gonna have
the
to
old oak tree.
Where do these pancakes go then? Right.
They're
They look
delightful.
good in the pan. Like, I like the different colors you got. Probably could have poured it sitting on the table without holding the can.
That's fine. I still have fingerprints. Making coffee over here.
Show them the coffee cup we got.
Custom coffee cups. Stick tip. If you don't have a vessel for your hot coffee, you can bust out the top to a beer can.
Make sure you drink a beer before you
Yeah,
have
that's
coffee.
not how we're doing.
3
We
years
got
before
the
they even started
pancakes done.
filming,
Just
just to make
decided
sure
to
the
dump
costumes
all
are
the
as
last
authentic
ones
as possible,
into
and-
one big pancake, and we're gonna see if we can.
I'm willing it to go well for you. Oh, not bad. Not bad.
That's pretty good for
Yeah.
a pancake
No,
bigger
just
than a
leave it, just
plate.
leave it.
Yep.
Just fuck it up more by trying to.
I'll give you a
absolutely.
98% on that.
98, that's an A. We're just packing up, getting ready. Ticket Sam are all packed. Jessica's good to go. More sunscreen, yeah, always more sunscreen, especially for us pasty folk. Tom's just getting the last of his stuff in. John and I are good to go. Hit the river, paddle for a little bit. It'll be wonderful.
I just turned the camera on my phone and it dropped to 15%.
What's up, guys? Having fun on the river?
The river is fun.
I'm having so much fun on the river. It's been a drier day for me and Kara, which
That-
is nice.
That's good.
She doesn't seem to be overheating. She even laid down for like 5 seconds.
Nice.
It's a good time.
How about you, Tom? You doing good? Jessica?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm getting a little stiff. My back.
How about you, Sam? How you doing up there?
Oh, good.
All right. I'm doing good back here. John, how you doing over there, buddy?
I'm doing good, man.
Doing good. All right. You motorboating son of a bitch, you. Just a guy shirtless with a guitar singing for people on the river. Oh, I guess he's playing for people on the trail too.